Hi guys, in this tutorial, in the very first MyTechTutorials tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a free program called GIMP. It's like Photoshop, but it's free and it's legal. Just go to google.com and type in, just go to Google and type in GIMP. Okay, so just click on the first link. This is gimp.org. Okay, you can just click download there, and it's available for Mac and Windows. Or you can click downloads and look at download it from this downloads page. Okay, this is what it looks like. Whoops, sorry. There we go. Just gonna load it up. Might be a bit slow with Camtasia running. Okay, it's just a sec. Okay, so now that it's open, now that GIMP is open, to make a new project, just click File, and then click New, and just choose a size. Okay, and it's sort of like Paint, except it's a lot better. You can type text in. This is how I make my logos. You can use gradients, change size, font. Yeah, it's a really good program. So thanks for watching, and that's it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and there'll be more tutorials coming all the time. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.